Hello mga ka-viewers, nandito po kami ngayon sa Evia Mall. Tingnan nyo yung Evia Mall ngayon. Ayan. May switch this here. Come here in Evia Mall. Malamig. May move dito, switch, Vans, peri-peri, sombrero. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Ansario Vlog 64. Ang ganda ng salap dito. Classic. We are entering this dome. So big. We are entering this dome, glass dome. Ate. Halloween banquet. October 29, Aquarium. Look at that. Uniqlo, Malak, and other kinds of H&M, Mango. The event center. Bench. No. Bench. What kind of occasion is this? The occasion is the Halloween banquet by October 29. Aquarium Courtyard. There. Glass chair, ma. Look at that. Glass chair. Ma. Ma, pa. Upo ka pa, upo. One, ma, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yay, hi. Love it here. Oh. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Ansario Vlog, hit the notification bell, like and share my video. Bye. Ma, bye muna. Bye. Bye bye.